never gonna be broke chasing goals. You gonna be broke chasing hoes though. Women out here be distracting us, trying to take us off our path. As a fucking man, you have to be on your purpose, on your path, constantly growing, constantly trying to evolve, constantly pushing for your goals, pushing for your mission. And as a woman, they're into relationships, they're into relating, they're into trying to get a man off his path. If they can do that, that way they have you. But it's weird, they want the highest quality man. I don't believe in gold diggers. I believe in people, they just want the highest quality everything. People want the highest quality man, they want the highest quality car, they want the highest quality house, they want the highest quality job. That's our truest nature, to excel and have the biggest that we can get, right? So I don't believe in gold diggers. I believe in people, they just want the best. That's what I believe in. But it's weird, whenever they get the highest quality man, they try and tear us down. Why is that? Because if they tear you down, then they know they can have you and they can keep you forever. No, as a man, you should be constantly fucking striving for your goals and constantly setting new missions. It should always be money over bitches. M.O.B. Goals over hoes. Business. M.O.B. Money over bitches. Or what I like to call B.O.B. Business over bitches. B.O.B. Because when you're constantly succeeding, girls are going to be chasing after you. Every single girl that you meet going to be chasing after you. I ain't never seen a successful person chasing after a girl, going to clubs, picking them out, popping bottles. Only broke people go to fucking clubs, popping bottles, this and that, chasing every single girl they meet. You ain't never gonna be broke chasing goals. You gonna be broke chasing hoes though. Chase money, not punani. All I'm saying is I'm tired of people posting Instagram photos showing, yo, look, I'm clubbing, this and that. I want to see one person on a Friday or Saturday night posting them in front of a laptop talking about, yo, I'm starting up a new business. If you start up a new business and that shit take off, that shit succeeds, you gonna start posting nice Instagram photos of your luxury life, and guess what? Every single girl gonna be chasing you, talking about, yo, you that motherfucker from the pictures I seen on Instagram. You gonna be like, yeah? And they gonna be like, pussy open sesame. And you gonna be like, okay, shit, I used to be chasing girls at a club. I guess B.O.B. was a lifestyle, business over bitches, I guess. And now you can pick and choose the women that you want, and then you can marry her. I'm not telling y'all not to love girls. I'm telling you, chase your goals. As a man, you should be a focused warrior chasing your goals. And then loving girls. You know what I'm saying? It's our nature to love. It is. I'm not telling you not to love girls. I'm telling you, when you're with your girl and she tells you, please don't leave, cuddle me for a little bit more, you should be like, no, bitch. Trying to take my superpowers away. I can get every girl I want if I keep on focusing on my fucking goals. You're trying to take my superpower away, ho? That's what she's trying to do when she's telling you cuddle. That's what she's trying to do when she's telling you don't work out, I love you the way you are. You try to make me look like an ugly ass bitch so that way you can keep me. That way you just... I know what she's doing. She's trying to fucking destroy your superpowers. As soon as she destroys your superpower, your confidence goes away and she can keep you. Bitch scared, so that way she trying to destroy you and tell you not to grind, because that way she can keep you. A true bitch that you should want in your life is someone who's not insecure, someone who pushes you and tells you go out and grind, go out and keep reaching for girls. Only insecure girls tell you, yo, stay home, this and that. You should get you a boss bitch that pushes you, that motivates you, instead of telling you stop grinding. She's trying to destroy you, that way she can keep you. You should get you a girl that motivates you and pushes you, tells you keep going, keep getting it. I want you to go get that. If a girl ever tells me, yo, keep grinding, if a girl ever tells me fuck cuddling, keep going and getting that guap, I'll be like, yo, this is a boss bitch. This is a girl that supports me, instead of trying to tear me down because she insecure and trying to keep me down just so she thinks that I won't leave her. If I love you, I will stay. You don't have to try and tear me down just so you don't get scared that I won't leave you. Matter of fact, I will leave you if you're telling me try and fucking tear me down just so you're scared. Just because you're scared. Then I will leave you. I always tell my girls to say, yo, go get it. Yo, I'm pushing you, this and that. I always tell girls to tell me that. You should train your girls and teach them to fucking how you want to be treated. Girl tells me, yo, stay home, this and that. No! I'll be like, no, fucking tell me go get it. And if she doesn't, then I'm leaving. I can't have someone trying to fucking have me down just so because they're fucking scared that I'm gonna leave them. I'm a focused warrior. As a man, I'm driven. I'm about that guap. I'm only about that guap. I'm only about that vision. So if you're trying to tear me down, you're trying to fucking destroy my ambition, I am gonna leave you. I am. You're not my focus. You're not my focal point. My focal point on this earth is to give birth to my dreams. And I get it. Your focal point on this earth is to relate with someone and give birth to a person. It's two different fucking shit. And I know you don't want a man to leave you. You're scared because, oh, who's gonna raise a child? Listen, if you let me keep getting that guap, I'll help you raise that fucking child, and I'll provide you a nice house, I'll provide you so much food, I'll provide that kid with the best school, and he'll grow out to be a next Steve Jobs, because I'ma fucking help him with his dreams. I'ma be pushing him with his dreams. So if you're gonna be pushing me with my dreams, we can get that empire and build that shit together. But if you're gonna be trying to tear me down, then I'ma fucking leave. I don't want you. Oh my god. What more do I have to say, man? Why do I have to prove myself? I'm trying to tell you what I'm about. Anyways, man, this rant out. I just want to let y'all know, man, I'm pissed off sometimes. So I come on here and I rant. And if y'all like this rant, give it a like, give it a subscribe. Share with someone who might need to hear this bullshit. And I call it bullshit because this is obvious shit. Men are focused warriors. There ain't nothing to explain about this. In movies, they try and fucking tell you, oh, you should chase the girl, this and that. That's some bullshit. They're trying to feminize us men. Don't chase no hoes. Girls be chasing guys. Girls are the only people that should be chasing guys. Why is that? Because they're about relationships. We ain't about that shit. We're about getting that guap and keep on growing. We ain't about that bullshit. MOB. Fucking MOB. And that's what it do, what it dizzle. Anybody that tells you difference is trying to make you pussy. And if you try to be pussy, keep on being pussy and keep on realizing why you can't get a girl. It's because girls already got a pussy. They don't want a second one. And I'm ending on that. Like this video, subscribe. Much love, Focus Warrior. We out.